Manitowoc's EnCORE program maximizes your investment by rebuilding or repairing your crane and components to extend their life significantly. Our 30-acre facility in Bauxite, Arkansas offers complete lattice boom section repair, refurbishment, and new boom section manufacturing capabilities for all Manitowoc crawler cranes, regardless of age. In addition to boom sections, our Bauxite facility can manufacture or repair mast sections, jibs, boom tops, boom butts, tower crane anchors, small weldments, and lacings. All small parts are manufactured and assembled to meet OEM specifications. All Manitowoc welders are specially trained and certified through the Technology Training and Development Center. Our industry-leading lacing service provides you with complete painted lacings in 48 hours or unpainted lacings in as little as 24 hours to get your crane back into service as soon as possible. The Boom Shop is capable of producing and repairing boom sections up to 40 feet in length for both angle and tubular cord booms of various sizes. New boom sections are assembled and welded to meet OEM specifications. Older mast sections are rebuilt with new head connectors and are rebuilt back to OEM specifications. All welds are ultrasound and magnetic particle tested by an independent third party to ensure each weld meets OEM specifications. After fabrication, sections are finished in our full-service paint facility and oven-baked for 1 hour. Upon successful paint adhesion testing to ensure proper sealing, all decals and OEM warning labels are applied and the unit is ready to be shipped. We stand behind every part with our full 1-year manufacturer's warranty. When your crane requires a repair, rebuild, or overhaul, choose EnCORE.